Have you ever sent cold DM to someone and they didn't respond it? It probably happened to you. It certainly happened to me like tens of thousands of times. And I'm not saying that after you watch this video, every single person on earth will respond to you. But I'm pretty sure that your response rate and appointment booking rate will for sure increase by 20 or 40%. If you are a beginner, maybe even more. So let's jump straight into it, okay? So, the first thing I need to show you is actually the process behind people actually replying to your DMs. Okay, maybe you think that they will just go to their inbox, request, see the first person, they will click on it, read through whole message, and then they will respond. No, it doesn't work like that. I will actually show you how does that work. Okay, so if you go, for example, let's go to my Twitter. It works on any social platform, okay? And they will just go to the request, they see new person here, so they will just click on it, and they will see the new messages. So for example, let's click on this one. And the first thing is they will usually read through the message if it isn't too long, okay? If it's this is pretty short, this is all right. So let's say that this message, hey, I was wondering if you need on the website, I can make a design for free, and if you would like to discuss the details for my regards, blah blah. So the people, what they usually do is read that, and then first thing they will do is just go to your profile, okay? That's what like nearly everyone do. They will just read through the message, or they will just click on the profile right away. Those are the two things that can happen. And then they will just go, check out your profile, see what you have in bio, if you actually have any kind of credibility or something, how does it look like, if you look like a serious person. If you don't seem that important, then your response rate will probably lower a bit. But anyway, like if I actually need a website, I would probably reply to him. The problem is that I don't need website, so he messaged the wrong person, okay? And the simple thing because of that is that they just said that I can make a design for free. If you will say in your DMs that you can do it for free, like loads of people will actually respond to it, but otherwise the profile isn't that good. But let's look at somebody else. For example, let's say I don't know, this guy. Like if you see this DM, if I see this DM, you know what I will do? I will just go back. I don't even read it. I don't read long DMs, okay? Like even like if he have like more followers, it doesn't matter. Like I see long DM, 36 followers, probably name seems that he's from India, then probably I won't even read it. But let's say that people will actually read it, okay? We'll go through it. I noticed that you are on lookout for top-notch DMs. Once I see top-notch, I just don't like, okay, your coaching offer, blah, 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 okay? Something he saw that we were looking for DM setters. So then what I would do if I would go through it, check out his profile. Okay, remote sales, appointment setter. 36 followers. I see that he isn't active actually on Twitter. We wanted someone who was active on Twitter, and he is using using hashtags and has only like 36 followers as is from India. We were looking for people mainly from US. So I wouldn't respond to this person. Okay? So the first thing is that people will actually go to your profile and check who you are, and then they will respond. So they will read your message, check your profile, and then they even respond or they won't respond. And then actually, like what matters the most, like is your profile and your opener. So the first thing what you need to improve is your opener. If you send DMs that are long, it seems like this, nobody is even reading them, don't send them. Don't send long DMs, okay? Then fix your profile. Obviously, if you check, for example, my profile, if I would message you, you would probably reply, because you go through this profile and you can see, hey, he's verified, okay, really good. A nice looking car, then Typebox search splitter, okay, a lot of ELO, interesting, teaching you how to automate your client acquisition for free, like why I want to automate my client acquisition for free, so that sounds good. Then I have here like actually our school community with, I don't know right now, we have 100 members, also interesting, free training, my YouTube channel, then he can go through my tweets and things like that. So I have pretty optimized profile here, like on Instagram, also looks pretty good. I am helping coaches and agencies get 3 to 5 clients per month. DM me something, free training. I have the YouTube, the community. Okay, profile looks good. I will probably get a response. But what matters is actually what I will send them. So what I usually do is just to send them some simple, really easy to answer opener. I usually just go, hey, their name, are you open to chat related to something, related to business or anything. Just something really, really short. So they don't need to read it that much, and really easy to answer, just to get from their requests into their DMs, because once somebody replies to you, you will go from these requests into these DMs, and here you can just respond to them, and they will actually see your message more often. So you need to actually get into their DMs from their requests. This is really important. Then How to actually follow up in the conversation. Okay, let's say that you have messaged somebody, they have replied to your DM, and like, what should you text them next? Like, you ask them, hey, are you open for a chat to something, or can I ask you some question? They will say, sure, usually. What should you do now? So, the thing I'm doing is that I will usually go and ask them something about them. So I will usually say, hey, what services are you offering, or what are you doing, or anything. And then they will usually go, yeah, I'm doing this, and this. I will say, cool, send them my offer. That's how I do it. You can do it like in a different way, but this is how I do it. I actually firstly get them engaged in the conversation, let them a little bit talk, and then I will show them my offer, okay? You can get even more qualifying questions if you are only working with people from certain countries or with certain budget. You can even qualify them, ask them their question, where are they from, blah, 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 some text. But if you want to be fast, you can just do this, same as me. And that's how you can do it. Also, then there is a direct approach that you can just send them whole offer in the first DM. It tends to have a little bit lower reply rate, but you usually get more qualified people, okay? So fix your profile. As I said, like if you are on Instagram, upload some pictures, make a good bio, some stories, like if you can, upload some content. If you don't, but just upload some pictures so you actually seem like a person that is worth talking to, okay? That's what you should do. Then set up your script, like your opener, what you will be actually sending to those people. Then how you follow up with the conversation, as I said, ask them something, then send them the offer. For the script creation, yeah, that's the thing that I have been right now saying. And then how to actually make sure that they will book a call. So what I usually do is I just send them the calendar link. So if you go to Calendly, then I have here loads of different events, but what I do is just send them the link from my Calendly. For example, this one, this is for Twitter, so I will just go copy link, send them the link. I have it actually also in my doc. And once I will send it, I will also like send them a message. Let me know whether you can find the right slot. Or I will wait for next 5 minutes to confirm it on my end or with my team. And why I am doing that? Because I actually want them to go check out right now the calendar if they can see some good slot for them. And I want them to go right now and book that call. Because what usually happens if you send them it just randomly and don't say anything to it, they will just go, okay, he sent me a calendar, yeah, I will probably book sometime. They won't book. Like if they don't book right now, they usually won't book. So that's what I'm doing. I want to ensure that they will actually book right away. And then, okay, let's say they book the call, and right now how you actually make sure that they will show up on that call, and how you make sure that they will actually buy from you on that call. Because it happens a lot that they will actually schedule up the call. Have it ever happened to you that somebody scheduled up the call but they never showed up? Yeah, it happens sometimes, but it doesn't happen to me that often. You know what? You know why? Because of Calendly workflows. If you don't know what Calendly workflows are, you should go watch my video about those, but in a like simple way. Those are just emails and reminders the people are getting once they schedule up the call with you before they jump on a call with you, okay? So if somebody schedule up a call with me, I will send them immediately email that they booked a call with me. 10 minutes after that, they will get another email from me sending them actually some video where I am talking about my offer, our results and everything, so they can get a little bit more nurtured even before the call starts. So they see what I'm doing, they see that we have actual results and things like that, testimonials and things like that. So this is what they will get 10 minutes after they book a video, after they book a call, and then I will send them another reminder like 24 hours before, then I will send them another reminder like 10 hours before, then I will send them another reminder 4 hours ago, also send them another video so they can go and watch, then like 30 minutes before, 10 minutes before. So I make sure that they will actually show up on the meeting, okay? This is super important. If you don't send them any reminders, they won't join the meeting. Okay, so this is super important. Go set up your calendar workflows right now. This is super important thing. And what you also want to do there, if you can, if you have YouTube channel or if you have some free course or some lead magnet, just provide it in those emails. Like you want them to actually know you more before they even jump on a call with you. So when they jump on that call, they are ready to buy from you. And that's what I wanted to say. And that's how you don't get ghosted. And that's how you actually book those calls and get those clients. Okay. If you would want me to help you with this, you can schedule up a call with me down below. We can take a look at it. Otherwise, you can just join our free community. I will probably leave it in the description or it will be on my YouTube channel. And see you in the next video.